Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. We're headed southwest, 80 degrees on Price Mill Road. Bishop is behind us. Bostwick is in front of us. It's about 12:15. We'll be taking a left on a dirt road up here and going back through to 441. But I'll turn it off and then cut it back on. I've got to take a side excursion over to a subdivision and video it. Gober Road to the right up here takes you back over to North High Shoals, then on over to 53. Price Mill Landing, I left a couple of times I've been here, the gate is still closed. I think it's been sold and it's going to be having houses built, but I don't think it's open yet. Bishop Point. I think 4-acre lots, I believe. Now this dirt road is right up here on the left, and we will go past it right now. I'll turn the video off. But also coming up here on the left is Classic City Clydesdales. And this will be Branch Road to the left. We'll come back and we'll be turning right on Branch. They had a fire out there that destroyed an absolutely wonderful barn and stable. I see they haven't built it back yet. Crossing over this bridge over the Apalachee River. Let's see when this bridge was built. It wouldn't surprise me if the DOT has plans to replace this bridge as well. They usually raise them up about 15 feet, make them much bigger. Going into Morgan County here, 1960. This is a very pretty spot. We may park and walk down and get some video of that on the way back. Not a very good place to park anywhere along here. Okay, Price Mill, south side of Apalachee River, turning into Riverwalk on the Apalachee. The framer I used to work for, his son has a couple of houses in here. He said, I talked to him the other day, hadn't talked to him in about a year. I think under construction. I might be able to get some pictures of that mimosa tree. Yeah, the framer I work for, Jim Chambers, does almost all the construction for his son. He looks after everything, and Jim takes very good care of everything. He is an excellent builder. I'll go to the end and then come back and turn down river banks. I'm not sure where the houses he's got are. The houses look like they're back off the road about 300 feet, maybe 275, 250 to 300. I wonder if this is riverbanks coming back in. Yes, it is. River Walk. This subdivision is bigger than I remember it. Another street off to the right. Riverwalk Point. I may have to go down one of these streets and send the drone up. I know the river's got to be close. A lot clearer there. That may be one of their houses. Yeah, I worked with Jim back in the 70s, late 70s in Dunwoody. He was superintendent for one of the biggest builders in Dunwoody. I don't know where this is bringing us out. Okay, Riverwalk Road. Okay, it's just looped this all the way around. We'll go up here and turn right on one of these streets. Okay, we'll turn right here. Yeah, this is River Banks. There's another road down there on the right too. This is where River Banks came out, I think. Hey, Jim built that one on the left. I came by, that's the last time I saw him. I came by and saw him there. Well, he said they had two going in here, so it must be on that other road down there. That one lot cleared is probably one. He's got established contractors. He's having trouble with a brick mason, he said, trying to get a good brick mason. Yeah, I'll turn it off. We'll go back down to that other street and then see it. It's going to be a cul-de-sac. Walk Court. Again, this is Morgan County. There's a bulldogger there. Well, I haven't seen a second one started or a lot cleared. Maybe they're just getting the permits and getting ready to get going on that second one. I don't guess I'll send the drone up here. It should give you a pretty good idea of the subdivision, what it looks like.